Let's motherfucking go, bro! That's my fucking PR, baby. Let's go!
Holy shit.
Holy fuck, dude, that was insane, bro. We had, dude, I don't even know what the fuck happened, brother. 42, was that 42? 16,000 damage, dude. Oh my God. Holy.
After BobbyPoff Gaming's permanent ban sent shockwaves through the community, fans were left in disbelief when his account was suddenly reinstated. No explanation, no official statement, just back as if the ban never happened. But behind the scenes, things weren't as clean as they seemed. It turns out BobbyPoff's manager had a trick up their sleeve, an unbanned tool, not some official appeal process or a developer pardon, but a tool that gives select users access to recover banned accounts. And this is where things get personal. Is it fair that BobbyPoff, with his millions of followers, can recover from a permanent ban thanks to his connections, while regular players, people like you, would lose everything? Your stats, your skins, your progress, gone. No second chances. For most of us, if we were hit with a ban, we'd be stuck. No fancy tools, no manager with the right contacts, just a support ticket and maybe, just maybe, a generic response weeks later. BobbyPoff's team claims they were simply playing smart, using the resources available to them. But should anyone, even a popular streamer, get to bypass the rules? Is it really about fairness? Or is it just about knowing the right people and having the right tools? Imagine you've invested years in your account. You've spent money, time, and effort, only to wake up one day banned with no warning. If it were you, would you get the same treatment? Would you even have the chance to fight for your account? The reality is, most of us wouldn't. The Call of Duty community is in an uproar. Some say it's corruption, that big creators get to break the rules and come back like nothing happened. Others think it's just how the game works for influencers. But the real question is, where does this leave the rest of us? If this is allowed to continue, will it create a double standard in the gaming world? One for the big names and another for the average players? Should there be more transparency in the ban and appeal process? Should everyone, no matter their following, be treated equally? Or is it inevitable that streamers with influence and reach will always have an edge? As BobbyPoff continues streaming, back from the brink of a permanent ban, many are left wondering, what happens next? Could this set a dangerous precedent for the future of gaming? Or is it simply the reality of today's influencer-driven world? Like the video, subscribe and hit the bell for the latest updates. What do you think about this situation? Let us know in the comments below, in case you are hit with a ban in Call of Duty. Submitting a support ticket to appeal an account suspension or permanent ban through Activision is ineffective. A solution to shadow bans, permanent bans, account suspensions, limited matchmaking, temporary bans, or hardware ID restrictions in Call of Duty is using an UnBanned tool. These tools are specifically designed to modify account data internally, similar to how an Activision employee might handle the accounts of popular streamers. This tool operates in the same way as the tools used by Activision agents to manage high-profile accounts. Thanks for watching. Till next time.